Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we are going to talk about top 10 tips and tricks for Microsoft OneNote. So this is a complete note-taking app, and the very first thing that I want to show you is it is like a binder. It helps you to create sections, tabs, and you can also sort pages. So this will improves your journaling and note-taking experience. So you can see over here I create notebooks over here, sections according to the subjects, and then here I create pages. So guys, the next very important tool is the handwriting tool. So let's go into the handwriting option. So we have draw tab over here, okay, and then we go down, and then you can see over here we have 4 different pen options. So you can select any of them, okay, and then we also have the thickness option over here, and then different colors option. So you can write here anything. For example, I will write here like Sam. You can see the latency as well, okay. So you can see over here, and then with these pen tools we also have the highlighter options, highlighter tools. So there are 2 highlighter tools. So for example, I select this one, and then in that we have different colors and thickness option. So for example, I select this one, and then you can easily highlight it. So you can see over here, okay. And then if you want to erase something, we also have the eraser option. So let's see. So this is the eraser, okay, eraser tool. So you can easily erase it, okay, with your S Pen. So you can see over here. And then if you want to select something, we also have the lasso tool. So this is the lasso tool over here. So I will select, for example, this whole line, okay. And then what you can do is you can move this, okay, this with the lasso tool. So you can see over here, you can move it, change its position. You can also change its size, okay. So you can see over here. And guys, if you want to copy it, you can also copy it. So just simply select it like this. You have the copy option, okay. Just copy it, open some other notes. For example, I open this note, okay, and then you can copy it anywhere. So for example, I will paste it over here, okay. So you can see, so now you can see it is pasted over here. So this is a very helpful tool. So guys, the next tool is the inserting text tool. So you select the insert tab, then select anywhere on the screen you want to type the text. So you have the keyboard option, so you can write down the text as well, okay. And then for example, if you want to make it highlight, you can also highlight it using the same highlighter tool, okay. For example, I select this one, and then you can simply highlight the text, okay. So this is how you can do it. So the next thing that I want to show you is, for example, you create different pages, okay, and then if you want to move these pages, you can also do it. For example, I select this page, okay, and then you see this option over here, copy or move page, okay. So you can move this page to a different section, okay. For example, I want to move this to for example, this management. I select it. You can have the option of create a copy, okay. Just create a copy and then select it. So now page is copied successfully to the management. You can see over here. The next thing that I want to show you is you can move your notes under a particular date. So for example, I have this note, okay, and I want to move it. So simply I just grab it like this, and I can simply move it. So you can see over here, I can move it to any date. So you can see over here, I'll take it to the top, okay, and I can put it over here. Same way, if I want to make it down, I can also make it down. So this is very helpful if you want to relocate it according to the date. So the next thing that I want to show you is you can also share your page. So just go over here, these 3 dots, and then you see this share page option. So you can share it as a PDF, or you can share it as a plain text. So guys, you can also share it with the other note taking apps as well. So for example, I select this option as PDF, Okay, so share it anyway. So you have the option to share it with the other note taking apps as well. The next thing is you can also print it. Okay, you also have the print option. You can see over here this print option, so you can print it as well, and you can also send it by email, so you can see the email option is also available. And the next tool that I want to discuss here is the tag tool. So I will show you. So this is the tag tool option, which is very important. So we have different options over here to do. So for example, I select, you can see over here. Okay, so this is the to do option, and then we have other, you can see. So there are different tags, a lot of tags options. So you can see over here, website. Okay, idea. Okay, so there are different tags option available, and then we have the links option also available. For example, if you want to link a website, select this one, open the address. So I open like this one, google.com, and then I press done. So you can see over here, and then if you want to open it, just select it, and then it will ask you to open the link. I will show you. I select it, and then you can see over here it says open link. So once you select it, it will open the website for you. The next thing is the attachment. You can also attach PDF files or any other files. So you can see over here, so this is the attachment option. So just select it, it will take you to the your files location where you all have your files available. And the last tool that I want to discuss about is the voice note. So you can see over here this voice notes option. So just select it, and it will start recording the lecture if you are taking any lecture, and then you can also make your voice notes. So guys, overall it is a very powerful app for your note taking, handwriting and journaling experience. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.